dance is a form of exercise, which I say. But apart from dancing, what else you feel that you need, to be more fit? What are the combinations which has helped you, and you could share it with us?
So I'll tell you honestly, this is again, it's not because I'm on camera.
Right.
I came to you because I really needed help, right?
True.
And that was the start of my fitness journey, if you realize. Because I was, of course, too much overweight, and you helped me with that right, I think, right kind of diet. Everyone knows this,
Right.
but it's tough to follow. Is the main thing. Sugar is my friend and my enemy. So anything I put on is because of sugar.
Right.
That's it. And we've spoken about this thousand times, and it's still that journey of the struggle is happening. But I've respected from that time. I respect the fact that I know the importance of food and what you're eating. Though I let go,
Right.
but I know what's there. I don't
It's
like,
there in your mind.
it's there always. Though I'm
Right.
letting go, I know I'm letting go.
Correct.
But yes, because that fitness happened, gym happened, I've never stopped gym from that day till today.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. Breaks are on, but again, I'm back from last 15, 20 days regularly. So yes, I think fitness, diet is the most important thing. And yes, whatever keeps you fit, it can be a Zumba dancing or gym or the thing, trampoline jumps which I should do in between.
Right.
That also helps, yeah. So whatever works for. And I've started hill climbing, by the way. I'm doing hill climbing now.
Okay.
So one by one, or jogging like marathons and all, whatever works for each and everyone. But and dancing, of course, if you're doing a rigorous dance training like we used to do, our fitness was really rigorous. Okay,
Right.
like it was not like easy. It was like crunches and push-ups and all that level.
Right.
I think something has to be done. What I feel.
So that, and you were also doing yoga. You are doing.
Of course.
So your yoga journey is what you always talk in the class, and I want to know it a
Of
little
course.
bit more in details.
So it's been 4 years I'm doing Iyengar yoga and I'm still a beginner. And I'm really bad at yoga. Matlab, it's like today also morning I went for the class. I'm really bad. I mean, I'm the most stiff person anyone will find in the world. I'm not even kidding with it. Matlab, they actually make, I tell this every time and I can say this very happily. The teacher comes and tells me, please come here and see what not to do in yoga. And I'm the example every time. And I'm so happy because I'm also teaching people.
Right.
I have to feel embarrassed because I'm a teacher.
Right.
But yoga, still I'm not getting in yoga. Well, I'm trying, I want to just, I tell Ketki that I want to be in Iyengar 5 days a week. That's when I'm like, how tell people come in my dancing that way.
Correct.
So the day I'm 5 days a week, I want to be there is the day I'm in yoga.
In yoga.
And I'm trying my best to do that. I go and just sit some days there now. So I'm trying, but
So
it's
why
not,
yoga? Mind and body? That's
Uh,
why? Or anything specific?
honestly, I will just talk about Iyengar. It's not, I feel that place is what our school is. Once I go in Iyengar, I get the energy.
Right. Okay.
I'm not kidding.
So it's your driving force.
Yes, then the walls also give, there's really great energy there. If I'm just there, I feel relaxed.
So, so that's pulling you there.
That's pulling me there. And I wish they have only 2 classes. I'm trying to get them to give me more 5 in any case.
Right.
But that's not happened from past 4 years. Because they have some rules or whatever.
Right.
Like, so what they happen. I think that's why yoga, yes, mind also relaxes for me. And I think that kind of workout I never do.
Right.
So I'm not a guy who goes to the gym and stretches. That's the problem.
That's
I'll go and work out and come back home, which is not good, I know. But I mean,
Right.
even if I'm walking, running, I will not stretch before I do that.
right.
And then my lower back hurts. Like yesterday, my lower back.
I was coming up to that point. I want you to tell the dancers, like, what they need to see. Basically, the low back does hurt when you're wearing heels and doing a lot of forms of Latin dancing. So, what would you recommend for a back exercise? Because it hurts. Generally to your students, if we say, or the general.
So honestly, the problem is, see, we have a class 2 days a week.
Right.
People need to understand how seriously they're getting into dancing. If you're just coming and dancing for 2 days a week, there's no problem.
Correct.
It's not going to hurt you. Generalized, even you know this course training is the main thing which everyone talks about.
Right.
Pilates, Karne log, different yoga works. Everything people do, it works for like even the legs when you're in the gym and all the
Correct.
portion. It's all, everyone knows all these things. My point is how much they can do is
Correct.
like even I know. So when I was growing up, there was no importance of all these things. Huh? So my back got worse before actually when I was I think 22 or 24, my back got worse. I had a lot of lifts that time. I'm 40 now. 16 years my back is hurting. Because that time only it got disrupted. Yeah, because just do lifts and tricks and lifts and throws and
Correct.
lifts and throws. You're thinking no warm up, nothing. There was no concept of warm up that time.
Oh, so no warm up, no exercise.
Never. And no one used to do. So you start, because like youth, right? So it's like 16, we could throw anyone, anywhere. Lot of muscles we had that time. So that was the thing. But yes, now You have to start
So
off
you
with
weren't
something.
guided well at that time. Probably that would have made a lot of difference.
100%, yeah. No one knew about it, honestly. In India, for sure, no one spoke about it.
Right.
There are a lot of dancers around me, no one ever spoke about backaches.
Correct.
Matlab, till we got older. Then we're like, "Oh, my back is hurting, I don't know why. Okay, let's dance." So yeah, that's something which I think people are missing. We need more guidance now. But a lot of things are there nowadays, na?
Yeah, they're coming up because core I do Pilates to improve my spins. So I've been working on my core to see how it can improve and definitely improves.
Okay. Yeah,
I
yeah.
have been into fitness since my childhood, so I know the importance of it. Why I wanted to take this topic is many times dancers feel dancing is the only form of exercise, but that needs to be assisted with something, and
Yeah.
that's why I had taken up this topic because a lot of people do have backaches, and you said it so.
So a dancer should be doing gym, at least yoga, pilates, or cardio. Everything has to be a part with the dancing.
With the dancing.
100%. I mean, like, but those are people who want to become professionals also. If you're doing a 2 day class, except in our class, every class is okay because it's just fun. But our class becomes more tiring. There also it becomes
It
physically
is,
challenging.
yes.
Normally, it's not that way everywhere else. It's more of fun.
Right.
But so normally, for other dancing style, you will not feel that way. Right, I'm saying. But yes,
Right.
our place you feel that way because we do spins and all those things happening.
Correct.
Yes. So all these things are a part of it.
Of it.
Yeah, bit it. Yeah.